Newtown. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Okay, so Donna just baked our pig. He stuffed it with stuffing. And he kept putting, ooh, that skin is hard. So it's ready to go. He kept putting soy sauce on top of the skin. So we should be good. We got egg rolls. Hold on. Let's take this off. Wait. Get a plate. Okay, we have ota right here. Okay, what is this? Clams.
I brought my creamer.
Some clams. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, stuffing. Ooh, we got pork belly. Open it.
It looks better with me open.
Open.
Look, it looks better with me open.
Okay. Just open from the bottom. Ooh, corn. Open that. Ooh, mashed potatoes. Do it nicely. You're tearing it. And gravy. Mashed potatoes. Big old bowl of mashed potatoes. No, that's ota. Ota. Gravy. Okay, this is more ota right here. Donna is going to cut he's gonna cut the piggy. Hey, little piggy.
No running.
Okay, go ahead, Donna.
Is that hot? Right there, Isaac, that pot.
Sorry, piggy man. And there's stuffing inside the piggy.
Oh, Piggy! Piggy!
There's the head. Usually we give the head to
Hey, I see the teeth.
our
I see the
guests.
teeth.
Tail.
I touched the teeth, Sammy. Sammy.
Good job.
I touched the teeth.
Good job. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, all the stuffing is coming out. Coming out of the pig. Some pig.
Are we eating now or are you guys still waiting?
We're done.
Oh yeah?
Oh, baby. Isaac?
Break it. No. Oh, put it back on. No.
a big piece she had there. Can I have a piece of skin?
I don't think you like with Nick playoffs with they gotta work on
Dirty rice? Yeah. Want to make dirty rice? We have talo in the pot.
Anybody want turkey or we'll leave it for tomorrow?
This is aloha tostadas that Fred made. You eat it with the tostada shells, just like this. Put it on top, and you're good to go. Okay.
AJ, yo, give me a fork.
Wait.
Ryan.
What are you talking about?
I got some my Bahamian friends at work. They're like, "What are you eating today, Al?" Better than what you ate.
Funny's making a dirty soda.
This is a dream.
Get it.
You gotta mix
Looks
it up.
good. Looks good. With French vanilla. And Marie got hers. One's for me, one's for Nada. She hasn't tried it yet? She's missing out.